homemade buttermilk biscuits. Let's get to baking. Here's what we're going to need. 2 cups of self-rising flour, a half stick of unsalted butter, half stick of butter flavor Crisco, and 1 cup of buttermilk. Now you can use 1 stick of unsalted butter instead of the butter flavor shortening. Now grate your butter and shortening into the flour. I did place the butter and shortening into the freezer so it can be cold. I learned this trick from Divas Can Cook. Hey girl, thanks for your recipe. Now just mix that in very well until all of the flour and butter is combined. Now we're going to add our 1 cup of buttermilk, and this was refrigerated. And just mix that up, and it's going to be kind of sticky and seem a little wet, but that's okay. We want it to be, we want it to feel like that. That's just fine. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So now what we're going to do is get a surface and spread some flour out because the dough is, like I said, it is a little sticky, and make sure your hands are floured as well. Just dump that out. And the goal here, guys, is to fold the dough. And the more you work it, it gets less sticky, I would say. And they say when you keep folding it, it adds the layers within the biscuit to make it fluffy. So now I'm going to place a little of that flour around my dough cutter. So when I'm making the circles, the dough does not stick. Okay, so I did preheat my oven to 450 degrees, and we're going to bake the biscuits for about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes are up, and look how beautiful and golden brown the top is. Delicious. Now I'm just going to butter the tops, and they'll be ready to eat. Oh, I did want to mention that everyone's oven is different, whether it's electric or gas, so you have to, alter your temp depending on your oven.